Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 12th November 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please remember, the content we discuss does not represent our opinions, but is a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk's platform X, formerly known as Twitter, is making waves with its AI chatbot, Grok. Previously exclusive to premium subscribers, Grok is now available for free to some users. This change was first noticed in New Zealand, a common testing ground for new features. The free version allows users to chat, generate images, and analyze photos, albeit with limitations like a cap on the number of questions and image analyses. To access this free tier, accounts must be at least 7 days old and have a linked phone number, likely to deter bots. While this rollout hasn't reached the US yet, it's a strategic move by Musk's XAI to boost user engagement and recover from financial losses following the $44 billion Twitter acquisition. In a thought-provoking piece, Zoe Williams critiques the mindset of billionaires, with a particular focus on Elon Musk. She argues that figures like Musk display a disdain for the general populace, highlighting behaviors such as Musk's Twitter acquisition and the apocalyptic fantasies of other billionaires. Williams suggests that these individuals prioritize their survival and legacy over the well-being of others, viewing themselves as superior. This mindset, she argues, is a reflection of the broader billionaire class's attitude towards society. Despite their ambition and effectiveness, Williams posits that billionaires are deeply unhappy, underscoring an ongoing class struggle. Elon Musk is being considered for a pivotal role in the US government under President-elect Donald Trump. Trump plans to establish a Department of Government Efficiency aimed at slashing federal bureaucracy by $2 trillion. Musk is proposed as the Secretary of Cost-Cutting, a role that aligns with his experience in reducing expenses, notably at X, where he cut staff by 80%. Musk has expressed willingness to bring similar cost-cutting measures to the government. Although he acknowledges potential hardships for Americans, his plans include appointing SpaceX employees to key government positions, despite potential conflicts of interest. However, strong labor laws protecting federal employees could pose challenges to Musk's approach. Additionally, the cryptocurrency industry, which has invested heavily in elections, stands to benefit from a Trump administration favorable to its interests. The combination of Musk's strategies and Trump's ambitions could lead to significant changes in the federal government, though the feasibility of such drastic cuts remains uncertain. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these insights into the world of Elon Musk and his ventures intriguing. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more updates and analyses. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.